So this is me, and I'm on a 20-mile ride with Eddie, who's over there. We're gonna go from the I-5 all the way out to the I-5 bridge and then back to the Telegraph Bridge and back as part of a training ride in advance of our great Lake to Lake tour starting in 2 weeks.
Hello.
What are we doing today?
Riding bridge to bridge.
Bridge to bridge.
Well, we're from home to bridge to home.
Home to bridge to bridge. Sing with me, Eddie! La 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 la! Hey Jude! Do, 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 do. Sylvan Lake. Gotta love Sylvan Lake. I gotta tell you, this is really peaceful. So relaxing. It's a beautiful night. It's about 76 degrees and there's no humidity. It's beautiful. I'm having a great time with my boy Eddie. He's over there. And it's pretty cool. So